Morning, afternoon, evening, forever watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Math Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have a question to attend to today. A regular polygon has an interior angle. The interior angle is the angle that is inside. So let's bring out what we have there. An interior angle. Let's assume this is the polygon. The interior angle is equal to 168 degrees. Let's say this is the one of the interior angle. Find the number of sides it has. The first thing, if the interior angle is 168, now the exterior angle, we can call it A. Now interior angle plus exterior angle will give us 180 degrees because they lie on a straight line. Interior angle plus exterior angle. So our interior angle, that's 168, plus A is equals to 180 degrees. So it follows that our A is equals to 180 degrees minus 168 degrees, which is 12. So our A is 12 degrees. So each exterior angle there is 12 degrees. Now it says find the number of sides it has. Why did we find each of the exterior angle, one exterior angle? Because we know that each exterior angle sum up to 360 degrees. Each of the exterior angle of the polygon sum up to 360 degrees. So the number of sides it has will now be 360 degrees divided by one of the exterior angle, 12. This will give us 30. So the number of sides, our n, because each exterior angle is 360 degrees over n, so the number of sides will be 360 over each exterior angle, that's 30. So the number of sides of the polygon is 30 sides. I hope you have learned in today's class. If you learned in today's class or you enjoyed the solving, the working, or the explanation, why not give us a like, give us a share, give us a thumbs up, tell your friends about the Making Math Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. To meet again in the next class, or before we meet again, if you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.